welcome to this new video. I'm right now on my Medium profile, and if I go to my image and click on my profile, you can see that there's an animated header image on my Medium profile. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can design this image and how you can upload this image on Medium so that you can also have an animated header on your Medium profile. Okay, so if you're coming here for the first time, my name is Tanmoy. You can see my name on the screen as well. I'm writing on Medium for some time now, and I create this kind of videos on this channel. So if you are new here and if you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe, and I'm sure there is a lot to learn from this. And also, if you like this video, please give me a like. It helps the algorithm a lot. Okay, so with that, let's start the video. Alright, so there are two stages of this video. First, I'll show you how to update the profile with the image, and then I'll also show you how to use Canva for designing this particular animated image. Okay, alright. So first, to update the header, you have to come to your profile. You have to click on your image on the right corner, and then you click on profile and you'll land up on this page. Here you will normally see a green background or nothing. Okay, so you click on these three dots here, and then you'll get an option called design your profile. When you click on this, you'll get to another screen, and this is now in design mode. Okay, so on the left hand side you will find two options. One is header, one is blog roll. We're not going to touch the blog roll as of now. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the header to update this image here. Okay, so click on this drop down menu, and here you will see this kind of options. Now the first thing is, let me remove this. Let me show you how you will see this initially, and I've also changed the color, so let me make it black again. So this is how it will look like when you first open this page. Some of you might have a green background on the top like this. Okay, so it might look like this also. Now this is where we are going to start. Now since I have already created this image, I'll show you how to update this image. So you can click on this add option here, and then you'll get this kind of pop-up window. Here you can see that they're recommending to have a 1500 pixel wide image, and they're supporting JPG, PNG and GIF files. Now if you want a still image, if you do not want any animation on your header, you can choose a JPG or PNG file, but if you're looking for animation, you need to choose a GIF file. Okay, then you click on this select button to browse to the file and upload that, or you can also drag and drop that image here. Alternatively, you can also upload the image from a link. If you have a link, you can copy that link and paste it here, and then click on upload. It will take the image from that particular link. Okay, so this is how we are going to upload the image to our profile. Now let me take you to Canva, where I will design that header image for you. Okay, so now I'm on Canva. You can see this is the image that I created. This page has a width of 1500 pixels, and the height is 900 pixels. You do not need 900, you can have something like 600 or 500 as well. But if you put a 900 pixel, it will look something like this. The aspect ratio will be nice, so that's why I've used this. Now the most important thing that you have to keep in mind while you are designing this image is that the content will only be visible for a small area. Okay, only on the very middle of it. So try to keep it as centered as possible. Don't make any design over here or here. Those will not be visible. Okay, so that's how you have to think and design. So let's see how we can design something like this. Now this is a new page I've added. I'll use this page for the design. The first thing that I'm going to do is to get a picture, get a profile picture. Obviously you will have a profile picture of your own. You can use that picture. I'm going to take a picture from this photos over here, and you can take this picture. Okay, just for sample. And I want a round option or round design, so I'll come here, corner rounding, and put to 100. Okay, you can see it will look like this, and when I make it smaller, it will become a circle. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to put it exactly in the center like this, and then I'm going to put the name. So let me go to text. From here I'll click on add a heading, and then I'll put a name over here. So let me say James Adam Smith. I'm just making up this name obviously, and I'll align this to the left so that all my text is aligned towards the left, and then I'll make it a little smaller like this. As I said, the entire design has to be in the center and it has to be small so that it shows up on the Medium profile correctly. Okay, and then below this I'm going to add a subheading, and here what I have done is actually I have put my bio from Medium. So if I go to Medium, you can see this is my bio. I can just copy it. You can copy it from your Medium profile, and then you can paste it here. Okay, now I want this to be left aligned, and I don't want the bold, and then I want to make it really small like this something. Okay, so this much is enough actually, but then I also added my links, my link to my website and link to my Twitter account or X account. Those are optional things. If you want, you can add those as well. Okay. All right. The next thing that I have done is I've brought them to the center. I can do it at the end as well. You can see the markers will tell me, the guidelines will tell me if I can put it in the center like this. Okay. Now I need to add some animation. To add animation, I'll go to elements, and here I'll simply search animation. Okay. Now if I go to the graphics, you can see here graphics. Let's click on see all. From here I can choose any animation that I want. Okay, so let me choose this one for this video. I'll put something like this here. Okay, it will be nice. And if you want something more, you can add this, make it smaller, put one here, and you can duplicate the same, put it here. Actually, you can do any type of animation that you want. Okay, this is something I've made up quickly. Then I'll again select everything and try to center them like this. Okay, and then my header image is ready. Now you can add a lot of other things if you want to. You can change the animation, whatever you want. This is up to you. But one thing I would suggest you to add is the background. Now the background is white here. If you add the same thing, there will be no visual difference. Like if I go to my profile here on Medium, you can see there is a visual difference, right? So if it is white, it will not look that good. So instead what I'll do, I'll go to this background color over here, and if I scroll down, there are options to have gradient colors, or you can have a single color like this. Okay, whichever you want, or you can choose a gradient color like this. Okay, all right, whichever fits you, you can use that. Let's keep this one for now, and everything is visible quite nicely. I don't have to change the color of the text. Rest everything is fine. You can do a lot of editing on these things if you want on Canva, but then for this video I'm not doing anything more. I'll just keep it and I'll show you how to share or export this particular slide. Now in this particular design I have 3 slides, okay, or three pages on Canva. I cannot have all these 3 pages. I need to have only one, because if I share or export this, I'll get all 3 pages exported together, which I don't need. So I'll click on delete page like this. Okay, and I'll keep only one page to export. Now I'll go to share on the right corner, and then I'll click on download. Now before downloading, I'll change the file type from here. Remember, you have to choose the GIF file format, because on Medium profile we have seen only JPG, PNG and GIFs are acceptable. Okay, so I'll click on GIF, I'll select that, and then I'll click on download. Once I click on download, it will ask me to download this picture or this GIF to a location on my computer. I'll download it at that particular location. It might take a bit to download a GIF image because it's a video, so it takes some time to process that. Don't worry, keep calm and let it download on its own. So now I have saved this image, okay, and I'm going to upload this on Medium. Now I'm back to that uploading page, and from here I'm going to drag and drop that image. So I've dragged that image from my folder and I'm going to leave it here, and it will go. Okay, now it has uploaded, and I can include an alt text. Now what I have done is I've actually added my bio here in the alt text. This will help me to get this image searchable on Google as well. If you want, you can put anything else, okay, that's up to you. I've put my bio in there, okay, and then I'll click on add image. Once I click on add image, you can see it may come like this. Now one thing you can see on the left, it says we reduced this color's transparency so the image below is visible. Okay, now what you can do is you can click on this arrow, click on OK, got it, and click on this arrow, and here the second slider that you see here is the one for the transparency. Take it all the way to 0%, okay, so that your image is completely visible. Now sometimes what happens is after you upload this image, this alignment, image position remains on the top, okay, so you do not see what you have designed. However, if you click on the top, if you click on the tablet and the mobile mode, you can see that your design is there, but it's not just visible in the desktop and tablet mode. Okay, so in that case, you click on this centered alignment. Once you click on this, it will be visible on all three devices. Okay, it's an important step, please don't forget it. If you do not see this, don't get panicked, just change it from here. Okay, so now my image is updated. All I need to do is publish this, and it will be shown on my profile. Now one more thing you can do is to change the color of your name here. Okay, to do that, you can scroll down, and from here you can choose any color. Okay, now because this is green, I'll probably match it with green, and I'll choose something like this, a little deeper. Okay, so this is a better color which is matching with this. So you can choose any color you want. So two things you can change. You can change the color of your name, and you can change the header here. Okay, I'm not going to publish because it will change my header. I don't want James Adam Smith to be shown on my profile, right? Alright, so I'm going to cancel. But then once you publish, it will just give you another option to confirm that you're publishing that upgraded design. You click on that confirmation, and once you have done that, your profile will load, and you can see the new image on the header, and your name would also have the color that you have chosen. Okay, so this is the entire process of adding an animated image for your header on your Medium profile. I hope you have understood the process. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. I've also written a story on this on Medium. The link to the story will be there in the description. Please take a look at that. And if you have any questions regarding Medium or Canva, please feel free to ask. Okay? Alright, so that's all I have in this video. Thanks a lot for being with me. I hope to see you in the next video. This is Dan signing off from the Indian Freelancer YouTube channel. Thanks a lot for watching.